How to enable notification from CarX Street game. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you on CarX Street and want to turn on notifications so that you don't miss updates, rewards or important game alerts? If yes, then here's how you do it easily. Launch open CarX Street game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it loads, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner from the home screen. Now you will come across this menu where you need to go ahead and tap on the game option, and under game, select off right next to notifications. Once you have notification turned off, you will not receive any alerts. If you want to enable notifications, simply select the on button right next to notifications and you'll then be able to enable the notification setting for CarX Street. Now you'll receive notifications for elite races, quests, events, daily reward for completing clubs and daily rewards. If you want to turn off any of those notification options, you can select the off button right next to the specific notification you don't want to receive. So that is how you can easily enable notification setting in the CarX Street game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.